Hello everyone, it's Russell, and as you all can see in the title for this video, I'm gonna be sharing you how I got rid of my back acne and also my body care routine. If you are interested, just keep on watching. Well, I just want to give a quick disclaimer, guys. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just gonna share to you based on my experience, and also we have different skin conditions, so what works for me might not work for you. These are the products that I'm used to, yung mga nahiyang ko. And I just want to say that all products mentioned are not sponsored. Sana nga, one day I'll be sponsored, but products here mentioned is not. Well, first I want to mention that I have sensitive skin. If hindi gusto ng skin ko yung product, my skin will react immediately. The products that I'm gonna be showing you is what works for sensitive skin. Our genes, we have skin asthma and eczema. Kaya hindi kami basta-basta gumagamit ng products. Mostly the products that we're using is unscented, yung mga hypoallergenic products, because if not, it's gonna react immediately on our skin. So I have some tips here that might help you out on getting rid of your body acne or back acne. This works as fast as 1 week if you're gonna follow this. On my face, as you can see, bihira lang talaga ako magkaroon ng acne or pimple. I'll just have pimple when I'm MS, and after that, my face is not really breaking out. But at my back, that's the usual na nagkakaroon ng acne or pimple or something. Ewan ko, hindi ko rin alam. Pero siguro sa genes na rin, because ganun din yung mga kapatid ko. Like my sisters, they don't like that. They have like pimple on their backs. So, let's start. So my tip number 1 in getting rid of your body acne is hygiene is very, very important. So you need to take a bath or shower every day kasi Philippine climate, sobrang init, madali tayong pagpawisan, and sweat equals breakouts, diba? Kasi it's dirt and oil and everything is pollution. You need to take a bath every day. It washes the dirt and all that toxic na nakukuha nyo sa labas. Number 2, exfoliate at least twice a week. I have an exfoliator here, a body scrub that I'm gonna share with you. This is recently what I'm loving. This one. This is a Thailand product. It's sugar gluta, tamarind with HA, a brightening scrub with glutathione. And I just wanna say I don't really plan on getting white even though it has glutathione. I just wanna lighten the dark parts of my skin, like my elbow and my knees. And also, there's another product. Before I have this, I use the Avon or Avone Spa Milk Salt. So that body scrub is really great as well. I believe that is also a Thailand product. And madali siyang makuha. Madali siyang ma-avail here in the Philippines because meron din sa Watsons. And I don't know in other department store, but I can see it in Watsons and also online. This one I ordered online sa friend ko. I'll just flash their Lazada shop here. And also yung Avone or Avon na spa milk salt. I'll just gonna flash it around here where to get it. That one is really affordable and great product. Part of my exfoliation is this soap. This is the Lux Organic HA BHA Miracle Soap, I believe. So I'll just flash it here, yung naka-box pa kasi I already throw the box. See, I've been using this. Oh, ayan mo, it's already half na, natutunaw na siya. I use this when the day that I scrub, when I do my exfoliating. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so every other day I use this one. And for the other days that I'm not exfoliating, I just use a mild soap like Dove, the white Dove, or the Dove unscented. So exfoliating helps you get rid of your dead skin cells. So the dead skins and the sebum, it cleanses deep down on your pore side. That's why it's great to exfoliate at least twice a week. So I exfoliate every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I do it thrice a week. And most importantly, it's important to scrub your back as well. Kahit medyo mahirap, have someone scrub your back. But yeah, it will help you get rid of your acne. And 3, after taking a bath, you need to moisturize. This product is what I've been loving. This St. Ives Repairing Cranberry and Grapeseed Oil Body Lotion. So it repairs dry skin with long-lasting nourishment. So yeah, I just want to say also that my skin is really dry, especially sa my knee and my leg area is very dry, and here on my arm. The best thing about this lotion is that it absorbs easily and it's not sticky. So it doesn't have like icky feeling kapag super init sa labas. Kasi diba, here in the Philippines is very humid. So it's for every day. And it's not heavy on the skin. So that's why I really love this. This one is almost empty na. So I need to get a new bottle. Really great product. Number 4 is keep yourself hydrated. So drink lots of water. Because keeping hydrated, it will help you flush all that toxins more effectively on your body. So here's my water bottle. Ayan. I bring this anywhere with me. So I put slices of cucumbers here to make it more refreshing. Sabi nga ni Mimi, di ba? Drink your water. So yeah, hydration is very important for the skin to wash out all the toxins on your body. The 5th and the last tip that I can share to you guys is that if your clothes are sweaty, you need to change right away. Don't reuse your clothes, and also change your towels and your bed linens weekly. Kasi yung sweat and the body oils, the dirt, it's gonna accumulate on your towel. Imagine reusing that for more than a week. I change mine like if I feel like it's sticky and dirty. So like maybe sometimes I change it like 3 days or like a week, twice a week. I change my towel, and right after I use it, I hang it outside para maarawan siya. That's everything. Again, just to recap. Number 1, hygiene is very important. You need to take a bath or take a shower every day. And then number 2, exfoliate at least twice a week. Use a good body scrub or just with a loofah will work also. Number 3, moisturize your skin. That is very important so you can restore the moisture on your skin. And number 4 is to stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day if you can. Bring it up to 10 glasses. And number 5 is change your clothes when it's sweaty and your towels and bed linens every week. I'm gonna be flashing my back with the acne, the before and after doing this stuff for a week. You can get results as early as 1 week if you're gonna follow it. For me, I got results as early as a week. Nawala nag-dried out yung acne ko sa likod. Now, meron na lang siyang mga scars and spots. It will take a while to lighten, but as early as 1 week, you can see the progress na. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the state of my back right now. Ayan. If you can see my back, there's like scars pa, no pimples. So I'll update you guys on the products that I'm gonna use for lightening my scars at the back. So what products is gonna be effective on me, so you can also try it out. So that's everything. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you do, just give it a thumbs up. Share it to your friends who has problems with their body acne or their back acne, and it might help out anyone out there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos from me, and click on the notification bell so you get notified in every upload. So see you guys next week for another video. Bye!
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk